Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do two things. I'm going to do a show and tell video of a new kit that will be listed in my Etsy, and the second thing is I'm going to do a drawing for the little challenge we did in the Facebook group. You had to comment on a certain post I had posted. It was something about if you have to go to a banned island, what would you take? And you had to leave a comment, and then you could win the Greetings from the Netherlands kit. So I collected all the names. You can't reply anymore on that post because otherwise I can't keep up with the names. But I gathered all the names, and yeah, let's do the winner's drawing with the name picker wheel. Let me do the setup real quick. We go to the wheel, one moment, and then you will see me back. So here we are at the desk with the wheel and all the names in. I put everybody's name in only once. Several members were chatting below the post, and then their names will pop up multiple times, but I only put everybody's name in only once, so everybody has a chance of winning. I'm going to spin the wheel one time, and the winner will win the Greetings from the Netherlands kit. Yeah, I'm saying it right. And yeah, I really enjoyed reading all your comments. Some were really funny, like somebody replied, my bathing suit. She's going to take her bathing suit. And one lady, well, actually two, but one lady said my pillow. And the pillow could be for her to sleep on, to sit on, but also for people that were sick, to give them comfort and a good place to rest and everything. I thought that was really sweet. So yeah, and one lady commented I wanted to take my craft room, and that is my answer to my craft room, because everybody's going with me, my fur babies, so I take my craft room. And I hope at the time I take my craft room, my husband and my son are in it. So yeah. But yeah, it was for fun. So here we go. Spin the wheel for the winner. It's a very short spin. Krista Eckstein, you won. I think you're Dutch, I'm not sure. Otherwise it's Krista Eckstein. But congratulations. Thank you for joining in. Send me a private message on Messenger to so we can connect, so I can send you the Google Drive links to the kids. Sorry, I'm messing it up. Let me switch over to the desk again. One moment. So here we are again. Again, thanks everybody for joining in. And like I said before I did the drawing, we're going to do a show and tell video now for a new kit. And on the shape of the promo page, you probably guess it's going to be a slim journal. It's a large kit. It has 31 pages. It's huge. Just going to flip through the pages. It's a bit grungy with botanicals and scripts and flowers. So yeah, there's a lot. And it has different colors like yellows, pinks, whites, and also collage pages like this one. We have this one. We have this one. I really like the girls sitting here. This can be a journal page. This is one of my favorite pages, by the way. I really like this one. You have a backing/journal page. Another journal page which you can actually write on this. And a lot of text. journal cards with pockets. This can be a booklet with a pocket and a journal card, the front side and the inside. So one is the front, one is the inside. Tabs, little butterflies, envelope, some labels, journal cards, postcards, more tags, smaller versions, like the manila tags. And then you have a film strip, another film strip with vintage photos. You can fuzzy cut the butterflies out if you want. A ticket, some little fun elements and little word labels and numbers. Then you have a whole sheet with little, it's not washi, but little fun elements to put on the journal, the tags, the ephemera on the pages. Then you have a sheet with people thingies on it. I like her. Then little journal cards. And I thought we could do some coloring ourselves. So that's why they are in and make them grungy. Pockets. The smaller size elements over here. Smaller text, smaller pockets, smaller journal cards. Some more pockets. They are large, I know, but you can, if you think this is too large, you can resize it by folding it smaller and cut off the excess, of course. But there are a lot of huge text in it, so I thought you need pockets. And the smaller size of this page and the smaller size of the text. So yeah, these are all the pages. And the design team members will be working with them. And I also have a few guest design team members working with them. So yeah, it's going to be fun. And usually I have a challenge with the kids. But since Suzanne is going to do a challenge throughout July with her kid, but she's showing you that tomorrow, I will not have a challenge with this kit. But of course, you can, if I make something small, you can craft along with me and post it in the group. That's okay. And we will see how we go without a challenge. I think it's still fun. And yeah, you can also join in with Suzanne's challenge, of course. That's the whole idea. But I'm going to be working with this. It's going to be a slimline journal, so a tall journal. It's very tall. I know, but I like it this tall. I made I have another slimline journal kit, and I made that, and I really enjoyed it. It's, I don't know why, but it's so much fun to work with. So yeah, this is the show and tell video of the new kit. Vintage slimline collage pages. Oh, I'm not saying it right. Vintage slimline collage journal pages. Okay, it's a lot, but the slimline pages, the grungy slimline pages. 31 pages will be listed in my Etsy. And of course they will be on sale this month. Well, next month actually, but I'm going to put it up tonight, and it will be on sale from 1st of July to the end of July, so everybody can join in. Today still, I think it's until the 1st of July, but we have some time difference between us, so I guess today is the last day. I have the sale in my Etsy with huge discounts. If you buy 2, 30%, 4 kits 40%, 6 kits 50%. So if you want this one and 2 other kits and 3 more, you pay 3, you get 6. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks again for everybody joining in with a little challenge, the giveaway we did. and for joining in with the magical tea party. I do have to make the video of the flip through of the journal, but I do have to make a little, I have to finish up some little things, and I wanted to do that on camera. I hope to do that tomorrow and move on to the next project. Stay safe, stay creative. Thank you very much for watching. Like, leave a comment, subscribe. Also check my Ko-fi page. You can buy me coffee, but there are freebies on it too, and a new little mini kit. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye.